Hi everybody, today I will teach you how to adjust the alignment of your text within the cells. The alignment is the position of the text within the cell. As you can see, sometimes the text is to the right, to the left of the cell, sometimes it's to the right. We can adjust these alignments. You will need first to select the table or the part of the table that you need to adjust the alignment. And here in the alignments, you have several options. This top three alignments are the vertical alignments, top, middle, and bottom. And these three options are the horizontal alignment, which is left, center, and right. If you need all your data to be aligned to the center, you can just click center, and now your data are centered within the cell. If you need them to be aligned to the right, you will just click align right, and they will be right aligned. Same for left. For the vertical alignment, this is the position of your text vertically in the cell. But if your cell height is suitable for the text, you couldn't see the effect. We can see the effect if we increase the size of the cell like that. Let's try it. So this is top, the text are at the top of the cell. Middle, it's in the middle. Bottom, the text is in the bottom. So you can combine the vertical and the horizontal alignment. So you can adjust your text to be aligned middle center, for example. You can set part of the table with a specific alignment, like the title can be, the header can be centered, and the other text can take another alignment. Only select what you need to align and then choose the suitable alignment. This is the orientation of your text within the cell. You have different angles of orientation, like counterclockwise, or clockwise. You can set it to be vertical, or you can just rotate the text up and down. You can see extra alignment from format cell alignment from here. And here you can find the horizontal alignment, which is center, left, and right. And the vertical, which is center, bottom, and top. And this is orientation. This text, if you click this text, it means that your text will be aligned vertically in the cell, as we saw before. Or you can use this pointer to set the angle of your text if you need it to be angled. And you can choose whether this angle is clockwise or counterclockwise. If we need to make it horizontal, we need to return it back to its horizontal alignment. So format cell and simply move this pointer to the middle or just adjust these degrees to 0. If you have text that is larger than the cell size, like here, for example, here also, here, many cells in the title, in the header row, are bigger than the cell width. You can double click and auto fit as we learned before, or you can use another options. We have other options for this situation, which we have in wrap text. Wrap text will Divide the text on separate lines to fit the width of the cell. And we have different options too for the alignment. If we click here, this is the alignment that we have just used. Wrap text. We can unselect the wrap text. We can choose shrink to fit. Shrink to fit will decrease the size of your text as much as it will fit the width of the cell. You can see how small is the text here and how small is the text here. So the text will be shrinked according to the text, the length of the text and the width of the cell to fit the width of the cell. Let's wrap it again. And this option doesn't work with wrap text. So you either wrap text or shrink to fit. One of them will work and the other will be deactivated. If I need to add a title over here and I need the title to fit the width of the table, so I need all of these cells to act as one cell. To do that, I can merge these cells into one cell using this option. So this is merge and center, which means it will merge the cells into one cell. All the cells now here, the selected cell become one cell, and also the text will be, if I write anything, the text will be centered aligned. I added a title here, and I can also format as we did last time. So we can adjust the font type, font size, whatever I need. And I can also add a border. Let's add a thick outside border. I'm revising what we did last time. And we can also add a fill color. And that's it. I need to add a vertical title. I will just add a new column to the left, insert to the left of this column, and I want to add it vertically. So I will select all this cell down, and I will choose margin center. Then I can write because it's bottom aligned, you can see the text down here. If I need the text to be vertical, we just learned that. From here, we can rotate our text and we can make it at the middle. We can align it center and middle. And we can apply the formatting that we need. Let's add a border here too and add a color. So the table now looks nicer with more formatting. If we need to just unmerge the merged cells, we can choose unmerge. Now the cells are unmerged again. If I need to merge them, select and merge. Or from here, you can tick the merge cells option. You can find this table, guys, unformatted in the description section or in the pinned comment, the first comment under the video. Also, I will leave sheet 1 for you as an exercise. You can practice and you can test yourself. This cover all the topics that we have until now. It's better to write the table, all the table yourself, and then to format as requested underneath. Next video, I will talk about the data type, the number format. Thank you guys. See you next video. Bye bye.